how's it going, everybody? Here on the range at Sentinel Firearms Training Range in Slade's Corner, Wisconsin, or Wheatland, Wisconsin. And it's been a hot minute since I've been on the range. I am looking forward to work on a few of the fundamental skills and sort of work through that rustiness and smooth things out again. Slow is smooth and smooth is fast. So I'm going to take it easy. And today, for the first time, I'm shooting this little pistol. This is actually a Gen 2 Glock 19. Now I took this in along with another pistol on a trade for a Glock 34 and sold the other pistol, kept this one just because this is a 1992 production Glock 19 and it's in pristine condition. So I don't anticipate it's going to be much different than shooting another Glock 19, but I will go ahead and throw a set of fiber optic sights from Ameriglow on it, and I'm going to go ahead and give it a few rounds and see how it does. So Gen 2 Glock 19 here at 7 yards on some paper targets. I'm going to go for that little right circle just above the guy's left shoulder. Okay, let's try and smooth that out. Woo! Hot brass. Ooh, what? What about that? A jam on a Glock 19, unheard of. Now it was blazer brass. I've heard that CCI blazer brass, sort of bottom of the barrel stuff, does jam sometimes. So I'm gonna go ahead and chalk that up to maybe ammo, but that's purely speculation. Okay, we'll go this way here. Do is from about 30 or 40 yards. I'm just going to practice on some pistol to the steel with the transition to rifle, going from the paper targets right and left of me. Afternoon, gentlemen. This is a big day for you. This is the first day that you've been on a range, a live fire range, isn't it? Are you excited? I can't hear you. Are you excited?
Yeah.
We're on the range. It's beautiful out. We're gonna shoot some guns. This is a good day. First, you must understand something, that this is not a game. I want you to learn the rules of firearms, okay? 1. Listen, treat every gun as if it's loaded all the time. Yes? 2. Always keep the barrel of your firearm pointed in a safe direction, which is away from people or things that you don't want to damage. Number 3. Do you see this? This is called a finger or a booger hook. Do you see this? This is called a trigger. Your booger hook stays away from the trigger until you've put the gun on the target and you have made the decision to shoot. Do you understand? Okay. And the 4th rule, number 4, know your target. That is, understand what it is you're intending to shoot, what is behind it, and what's far, far beyond it. Do you see what's behind this target? Tell me what you see. Wood. And what else do you see? A big pile of
Mud.
dirt and gravel. Do you know why that big pile of dirt and gravel is there? To stop bullets that go past. So in this case, we know this is a safe direction because we have our targets and we know what's behind it. I'm going to go ahead and utilize this Umarex Glock 17 Airsoft pistol. So all the same rules apply, correct? We're going to treat this as if it's loaded. We're going to point it in a safe direction. We're going to keep our finger off the trigger till we've made the decision to shoot. And we're going to pay attention to our target, what's behind it, and know what's beyond it. Is it safe to fire at this target, Emmett? What is behind this target? Mud, dirt, wood, tires. It's a berm. Say it's a berm. It's safe to fire because there's a berm behind it. Will anybody get hurt by shooting at this target? Okay, then you are free to fire on this target. Go ahead and establish your grip without putting your finger on the trigger. Bring in your support grip. You're going to squeeze. You're going to point your thumbs forward. Widen your stance. You're going to bend slightly forward with your body. Bend your knees a little bit. You're going to push out towards the target. Reach up and go ahead and fire the trigger when you're ready. Go again. Fire again. Fire again. All the way till it's empty. Keep going. Go. Good. Relax your hands. Hold on a minute. Okay. Here we go. Keep going. All right. That's empty.
Shoot
A Glock 19. You ready? Let's go. We're going to square up with the target. We're going to keep the pistol pointed in a safe direction, and we're going to keep our finger off and away from the trigger until we've made a decision to shoot. All right. Let's get your support grip in. Okay. Now we're going to press out. Get your sights on target. Fire.